Superintendent of Police Jongke East Khasil Sisri Kuba Vivix M Negasngi Kakatlai Trikoluber Arajar Arpunriu Ula Pentip Balayo Ban Kemno Yakisnar Nongtuh ATM Kibadei Kibarjala na Nu District na Kejala Haryana Bat Kumjuru ya Arngut Kiba na Kanongba Shillong Habai kran Kilat Patai Kuboru SP Ula Penbena Ba Yaki ATM Kibala Syaklit Baca penjulor, harangkat kejingtu ya kebisa mau kriya, haga arpway trik ujemang arjar arpusan, haga ba arpu pralak karlai hajar shispa tengka kaliyo ban saitu na katei ke ATM. Kumju haga lai potrik uno pra arjar arpusan, haga tan smith lai pesan lak san pun nyau hajar, bat haga pra tarik urempang na katan melim, haga ba lai pesan lak layo bantu na katei ke ATM. USP ula pentip bagi take makoduma layo ban register artali hapo maungap PS bat kawai hamadar ting PS hapo kikendon jong ka BNS.
Can I start?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So 3 cases of ATM theft were registered in East Khasil district in the recent months. The first one occurred on 21st May 2025. Where the ATM which was located at Mokria was robbed, and cash 28,13,100 was stolen. Then subsequently on the 30th of December, another ATM at Smith was looted, and cash about 35,57,000 was stolen. Then on the 8th of February, the last ATM which was looted was at Millennium, and about 35 lakhs was looted from there. The people were professionals. The time which they took for actually stealing from every ATM was roughly about 7 minutes. So highly professional people. We have actually never seen such professional looting of ATMs so far, and this is the first instance where we have seen people actually professionally looting it in such a short span of time. So following the registration, we had registered 3 cases in Maungap, Maranting, and 2 cases in Maungap and 1 in Maranting. And following the investigation by the special cell, on 27th February, a 7-member team led by DSP Operations Simseng Sangma was deputed to Haryana Nu district. And on the 9th of March, the 7-member team started to conduct operations there with the help of the Central Investigation Agency of New District, Haryana, to arrest these people. As a result of these sustained efforts, 2 accused, and these people who are wanted and also involved in many such ATM cases in the country and also in particular in the northeast, namely one Sri Salim, 26 years, of Doraki, Mewat, Haryana, and Shri Rahul, 31 years, of Bazitpur, Nu, who were involved in the crime, and actually the main people who actually were involved in cutting down the ATMs were arrested. And following their arrest and all that, the local operations in Shillong also was conducted, where we arrested 2 people who are the local facilitators, namely John Fisher Linkhoi, 32 years, resident of Umpling, and Joyous Dora, 47 years, of Molai Nongkwar. Both arrested from Shillong after the operations in Haryana. And for John Fishel and Joyous Dora, we've got 6 days remand, and for Rahul and Salim, we've got a 5-day remand. Following this operation, yes, on the 12th, another team of the special cell headed by DSP Crime left for Assam, and one of the accused, his name is Rijol Karim, 38 years, was arrested from Chakla under Abhaipur PS in Bongao. And last night, another accused, Shri Lius Ali, 28 years, from Boragao, was arrested under Gurchuk PS. So we found incriminating evidence against these people, and of course the investigation hasn't stopped. Investigation is still on, to actually arrest some of the culprits who are absconding. So the East Khasil police is endeavoring that we get all the culprits as soon as possible. Thank you.
Can you tell us in this? Are they the employees of the banks or what is it?
No, these two people are actually they are local facilitators. They actually have contacted they were contacted by the Assam counterparts and the Assam counterparts by the people from Haryana. So they're the people who identify the ATMs out here. These two people actually have been involved in many other crimes, from drug trafficking to murder to many other forms of criminal activity and all that. So they have a history of crime, and they were the ones actually who recce'd the place and identified the ATMs to be looted.
So far, how many has been arrested, sir?
So far, we have got 6 people.
Altogether, how many potential suspects, sir?
There are still more people. As and when we interrogate and all that, we will get to know more people and all that. Of course, we have some people in our mind and all that. That special cell is yet to nab them. But as investigation, interrogation is in progress and all that, we'll get to know the exact number of people who are actually really involved.
So all of them involved in all the 3 cases?
Yes.
Can you also tell us how you track from the day one?
And it took a lot of hard work from the special cell, piecing all the evidence together, and a lot of people from DSP Ops, DSP City, SP City, additional SP Ops, the whole team and all that actually worked in different areas, and actually when they pieced the evidence together and all that, they could get the bigger picture, and from there zero down on the culprits.
So, is it true that one of the local is a relative of the MLA from Olai?
I'm not in the know if he's related to anything.
So, in one of the viral video which was circulated, it shows that there was an attempt to free the accused from that North Gypsy.
Yes, on the 10th, there was an attempt after one of the accused, this Rahul, was actually produced in court in Punhana, New district, and after being produced in court and all that, he was being brought back to New district, to New city, and at Sikrawa, they were accosted by about 30 people. One of the crowd even tried to snatch the weapon, and they had to fire blank shots and even on the ground, and a bullet ricocheted and hit one person. That person is recovering, and a case has been registered. About 12 people have been identified, so investigation is on in Haryana. Kata ru kam yadai ba katakan investigation de ke yengno ni kwa pa kani kar kadai thiki ba ni pe tang kata ka benta jongka ATM hi ban pe kwa hiyen jongno kata kam dan kata terms of reference of investigation
Ta basim ho bai de ba kani to phi ne ki bank employee la ne kata ke agency ka balik ka sa ki dan benda na malok ni ka benta ba ningkong shat ni la subaya baro hi long kiba tap pisa because kani kalalong tebet hadu kata hi banong ban sei pisa tang aport nyum net badru aku cukup por badep ru badan pisa entah ye ndre hadu mentah hi ngipat lap hi kata bakin de ki nong trei jok bank bakin dan keti ndre wada kata gindang rocket syakmat ai ban pej dan ti manun dan yang menurut dan badan keti nak kaliang jentik nong trei jok bank ne kiba tap pisa Apa yang kani kecing lah, kan kadang jumpa le yang lebih sudah itu kan naik le, nah kalau kau pilih apa ni baik, jadi orang kadang kita kan mau pilih beri orang siapa.
Kenapa?
Tapi dia kani kecing lah, kan kadang jumpa le, kalau kau dah kan kau kan buat pinjam kam kan dia.
Em pengalong nikong ba kani hi kadi ga jinga trei jong baro hi ki benta jong ka special cell hi ki ba kadi bangila piece pada ngila bolang kini evidence ban kasami king kata ka ngis susu menu badan keti ti bun ki benta joka dalam special set ki bala tre hak ni dan bun ki area se hadin lapis kini evidence kami salap ne kalau kuno taka crime ki commit kuno modus operandi kalau kuno pejinya ki kalau kuno
So kani interesting group no but only ijala berapa
kani hatat kani ru ngaklen rong phiba kani hoi ngala ngasai ngala patai phiba kani kadi ka ngilayo ban kem hiru taka jingerap jongka sam polis berkaryana polis di kibla dan benta ban penyerap ni ban kem hi kini brio syektu ki jela ban kerpang ya ka Central Investigation Agency jong ka New District ban USP jong ka New District tu bala ya rap sibun ya ini ban identify ban kem ye kini give kamli ka masuk ban kem akan ka cakahi kani ka cakah ka nu kamtam bun kibre kita pang ka mewa hi kari it's a very criminal prone district ban akan ka cakahi kamli ka suki ban kem ban atai ka special cell hi like three borba testam ban identify ban yo ban kem kini
So was the action justified? The man taking out guns and